guys, it's Grizz Mom. So today we are going to be talking about how to give yourself a facelift using makeup. Alright, so I had some comments the other day about why I only went halfway with my makeup. And the reason why I do that is I like to give the illusion of a younger face. And so I use makeup to kind of give myself a facelift. So I'm going to kind of quickly show you some things that are tips and tricks on doing that. And I don't have any makeup on. I'm not going to do like a full face or anything. I'm just going to kind of show you some little tips and tricks about how I do it and why I do it the way that I do it. So first thing I'm going to do is just use a kohl eyeliner. It's just e.l.f. It's an e.l.f. kohl liner. So typically, a lot of us are still doing our makeup kind of like we did when we were 16. You know, if it's not broke, don't fix it. And that's fine. I don't ever want someone to think that I would ever be, you know, mean and say, oh, you should never do that. Because I think that if it works for you and it looks well on you and you're confident, then that's how you should wear your makeup. These are just my opinions, and like everybody, you know, it's your opinion. So what I see a lot of people doing with eyeliner is, as we get older, you know, things start to droop. And I still see people kind of doing this really amazing tugging, and I'm not going to tug, but I'm going to show you if I just go down, and I'm just going to use the eyeliner as a, this is the first thing that you can just see the difference in. Okay, so it's not neat, it's not pretty, but it's just kind of to show you that you see how the eye's down. Now, you can lift your eye up, but try not to, you know, do a lot of pulling. But now I'm going to show you by going straight out. You can see just with that little bit, it's not major, but it's just that little bit of going straight out or up using that winged look. You know, you can even come up higher if you wanted to. That's pretty heavy. I wouldn't do that normally. But you see, it automatically kind of gives the face an open look. Another thing that I see people doing as we get older is taking their cheek color and bringing it all the way to the apple of their cheek, which again is fine if that's how you want to do it, but I'm going to show you if you use the end of your eyebrow, your natural eyebrow, not extending it, the end of your eyebrow kind of as a stopping point, and using an upward technique. Do you see the difference already? Just in that alone. So this is minimal makeup, just doing little things. Even with highlighter, you'll notice that I stop because I have the bags under my eyes. I actually even do my highlighter back in this area. I'm using a white pencil today so you can see the difference that it makes. So you see a lot of these younger people kind of doing this triangle, which is fine, that's fine. But you know, if you keep everything back here, you're going to notice that lifts the face. I'm going to show the contouring too. You can take a little bit of contouring and kind of make it heavier here and lighter as you go up. Now this color, we have agreed that it is way too dark for me. I need to do a different highlighter color. But you can blend that up into the hairline. All right, and then as opposed to doing it real heavy over here, I like this color, but I just think it's just a hair too dark for me. All right, and then using a little bit of it right here, again, going up, just a little into that you know, remember we were teenagers, we always did the, so just a little in there. And then just this, and then as opposed to, so you can see just with those little tips and tricks of just bringing everything to the end of the eyebrow, or bringing everything forward. I definitely look older on this side than I do on this side, and that is without any foundation, that's without any mascara, doing my eyebrows. So just that little bit brings the face up. So that's a quick one, quick tip. And my next one, I'm going to show how to do winged eyeliner without like really pulling. And I'm also, for myself, I am trying to learn to put my eyeshadow on with my eyes open, and it's been quite fun because I'm used to doing this one and trying to, you know, blend that way. So hope this helps you. Hope you can see just by doing a little bit. Now again, you would use your real highlighter here, not white. You could use white, but just using the real highlighter and blending that down, and just, you know, stopping the cheek color, you know. And if you wanted to come in a little bit more, you could, but you know, doing the, you know, you just don't need to do that. And it will help. It'll take you a little bit to learn and get that muscle memory in there to remember how to do it, because we're all so used to doing it this way. But just remember, we're aging and we're not 16 anymore. And so some of those things that we were comfortable with then, you know, kind of move it a little forward and just learn to take things just kind of midway. Again, like I said, the next video, we're going to show how to do some different types of eyeliner that hopefully will help you guys out. Thanks a lot. Give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. God bless.